Welcome to our 2026 update on the best CPU coolers for the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. Designed for gaming on the AM5 socket with a 120-watt TDP, we will provide a thermal analysis to help you make the right choice for your build. Don't fear high temperatures. Seeing over 70 degrees Celsius while gaming is normal. The stacked cache limits heat transfer, so 89 degrees is an operating spec, not a failure. Aim for quiet operation rather than forcing lower temperatures. Before buying a cooler, fix your case airflow. Restricted front panels and a hot GPU exhaust often impact CPU temperatures more than a cooler upgrade does. Better airflow is usually the most cost-effective solution. The Peerless Assassin 120 SE is our top value pick. This dual-tower cooler provides excellent performance, operates quietly, and includes all necessary AM5 hardware. It consistently outperforms much more expensive options. The Phantom Spirit 120 SE is another great alternative. It features 7 heat pipes and a slightly shorter profile. Since performance is similar to the Peerless Assassin, simply buy whichever is cheaper when you order. Avoid the premium air trap. Spending $150 on an air cooler for the 7800X3D will not yield more frames. The CPU does not utilize massive thermal headroom, so extra budget is better spent elsewhere. Be mindful of RAM and case clearance. Large tower coolers often overhang memory slots. If you use tall RAM, the front fan may need to be shifted, which could violate your case's side panel height limits. For more compact builds, the Peerless Assassin 120 Mini is an excellent choice. At 135 mm tall with a centered fan, it bypasses RAM clearance issues entirely while maintaining great acoustic performance. When dealing with small form factor thermals, remember that going smaller than 67 mm often requires significant performance compromises. 67 mm is the optimal floor for keeping temperatures under control. The Thermalright AXP120X67 is our top low-profile pick. It uses a full-size 120 mm fan to move air quietly, but do verify that it won't collide with your motherboard's I/O heatsinks. Only choose liquid cooling if your build layout demands it or for aesthetics. Air cooling generally matches liquid performance for this CPU, and cheap liquid coolers often introduce unnecessary pump noise. If you prefer liquid, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro is a superior engineered choice. Its mounting offset targets the Ryzen hotspot directly, though you should be prepared to tune the fan curves. Be aware of the thick radiator problem. The Arctic model uses a 38 mm thick radiator, requiring 63 mm of total clearance. Always measure your case roof and ensure there are no blockages from M.2 heatsinks. Remember to prioritize your graphics card. A $35 cooler is enough to unlock the full performance of the 7800X3D. Reinvesting your savings into a better GPU will provide a much more noticeable boost to your frame rates. To summarize, choose the Peerless Assassin 120 SE for standard cases, the Mini version for compact builds, the AXP120X67 for true small form factor, or the Arctic Liquid Freezer for specific aesthetic needs.